Okay, class, you're going to go to gmetrix.net right here. You're going to redeem code if you don't see this pop up here for you. Your code is in an announcement on Canvas with your block, either A4 or B4. Type it in here. Then go to tests, select new test. You're going to choose the one that says Adobe 2018 through 20. It might be in a different order. So these require a PC and an administrator login. So I want you to do these older ones here. Okay, then you're going to click on the 2018, 19, 20 again, and you got to make sure it says Premiere Pro. And then these that have the little logo also require a administrator login and a PC. It opens up the app. It opens up Premiere Pro on your computer. So these are just older ones that don't require the app. So we're going to go to Premiere Pro 2018, 1920 Concept Review 2, 35 questions. And let's just do training mode. And if you already have done it, you can resume, but you will probably need to just start a new test. And there's 35 questions. Some of them will open up a little graphic that has you do an activity in Premiere Pro. That's how the test used to be, but it's not going to be quite how your test is, but this is good training for it. So just do the training review and turn that in for this assignment. Thank you.